Hallo? Hallo?
Yes, hello and welcome by a new bicycle adventure with again not only me but also with my friend Silvy, with whom I will explore beautiful Tilburg. And yes, the ones that saw my previous bicycle, they know that this bicycle is actually stolen. Yeah. And I'll update you about this when I know more. But for now, back to the video. So let's start with a trip through the nature of Tilburg. We left from the train station and it took a couple of kilometers before we ended up at the spot where our actual route started. And here our route really began. And you might wonder what route we are cycling today. Well, we explore an area east of Tilburg and cycling this route, which you will see is beautiful. So at the start we were excited.
We're doing this!
And when we're just getting into it...
Super.
Hello, Silvy.
But of course the train didn't take too long. So we were back on our bicycle in no time. And after some cycling, it was already time for our first snack and sunscreen stop.
Hallo? Hallo? Hi Silvy. How are you doing? I think we're in the first 15 kilometers, maybe 13. Still doing good. Beauty. Lovely. Sunscreen!
Oh, and there are also some fluffy friends at this stop.
Gaan we koeien aaien? Hallo.
Hey. Oh, pas op voet.
Hallo. Oh.
And then it was time to get back on the bike. And here the cow has enough of the camera and leaves the shot. Just before... We're back on the road. And here Silvy is still laughing. Okay, I need to give some more information here, as we did this day trip mainly to see whether Silvy would like to bike around 50 kilometers per day, to find out if she wants to join me on a 3-day cycle trip, which she did and which you can check out here.
Silvy is crying here.
Yes.
It's already so tough for you, right? She's having a hard time. We've been biking for 20-25 kilometers and she's already crying.
And to be clear here, she was crying, but not because she was having a hard time cycling. Nope. She just had sunscreen in her eyes. After some more kilometers on the bike, it was lunchtime.
Bread. Nom 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 nom. Lunchtime.
With renewed energy, we continued our ride, and although this day was mainly a testing day for us, the route was really beautiful, with a lot of forests, but also a lot more. And then we were already almost at the end of our route.
Yes, we're almost there. It's 3.1 kilometers. Almost dying. So I think we're feeling good, right?
Yes.
Yes, it was a really nice day with very good weather and a lovely road.
A lovely
A
road.
lovely road. So 3 days, we'll be fine. I hope so.
But after this review, this happened.
Silvy is leaving me. Oh, she don't likes me anymore. Are we still friends?
No, I'm joking. She just wanted to climb the small height difference as fast as possible. Not long after, we saw the train station getting closer and closer. And there we were, back at where we started our route today. But for me, as I came from my parents in Zealand, the trip wasn't over yet. After a couple hours in the train, I got back on my bicycle, crossed some bridges and enjoyed a little piece of the beautiful Dutch coast. I don't know about you, but if this video didn't convince you to go cycling in the Netherlands, then I give up. Just before arriving at my parents' place, I had to wait for a bit. But with these views and the sounds of the sea, that wasn't a big problem. And with that, this trip and video has come to an end. Thank you all for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Then I'll say see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Dan zie je mij zo. Ah. She's not holding on. She's so slow. Oh my god, ik vind het best.